In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to turn on push notification on your smartphone. Open the main menu by clicking on the hamburger icon. Then, go to Notifications. Click on the Settings icon on the top right. Here you will see a list of devices you have added. Turn on the toggle for each device that you wish to receive notifications from. Once it's turned on, the gear icon will appear next to the toggle. Click on it to further customize your notifications. You can turn on push interval to limit the frequency of the notifications. You can also pick and choose what kinds of notifications to receive by simply checking or unchecking each category. Please note that in order to receive notifications for a particular category, you must set up detection rules for said category first. Thanks for watching.